I found a wealth that never fades, a light that pierces through the shades, better than silver or refined gold. It's the greatest story ever told. I wake before the sun can rise, to feast on truth before my eyes. Gives me wings when I am low. It shows me which way I should go. Sweeter than honey to the taste. It keeps my life from going to waste. When sorrow tries to dim my spark, it revives my soul within the dark. My path forever bright. Wisdom that makes the simple wise, a perfect gift from open skies. It is my song, my deep delight, my meditation day and night. My hands and spirit clean, the clearest sight I've ever seen. It is my shield against the lies, the anchor where my courage lies. My heart is fixed, my vow is deep. These are the promises I keep. I love the word, my path forever bright. Wisdom that makes the simple wise, a perfect gift from open skies. It is my song, my deep delight, my meditation day and night. Better than silver, I love your